That's it.
Hello, welcome back, my dear students. Yes, I hope that you have understood the previous session. I have explained this is a sunny morning in two parts. In the last session, I have given the revision. First part revision is over. Now, second part revision takes place. Now, first part. Describe the park scene. It is explained. Describe the park scene. That's all. Today I will explain 3 4-mark questions that will cover all the topics, all the 4-mark questions. Now, whatever the lines, sentences, answer is there in your notebook, that must be learned by you as it is. You cannot change any letter, word, sentence. It is your duty to learn the answer which are in your notes provided by us. Those students who don't have notes, 200 rupees, that notes, 200 pages, you must contact me. I will provide it very soon. It may be available after 14th November, Children's Day. Next, today I am going to revise second 4-mark question, third 4-mark question, second, third, fourth, 3 4-mark questions. Today, we are first 4-mark question is that describe the love story, or how does Lara describe the love story of her best friend. Love story is original. 2 fake stories, death story is fake, not real. Fake. Now, here, first I will read 5 sentences, follow the reading. Lara told that very near to Valencia, there was a villa on the shore of a sea which was called Maricela. First of all, it is my sincere advice to you. You should have written these all sentences in your book. If you don't write, copy this one, now it's up. If you don't copy this one, you cannot understand. It is why follow my instructions, otherwise nothing can be learned by you. Now, Lara told that very near to Valencia, there was a villa on the shore of a sea which was called Maricela. He said that there lived the most beautiful woman, Lara Llorente. Lara Llorente in that villa. She was called as the silver maiden in that locality. Both of them startled to recognize each other but hid their identities. Lara was ideal, fair as a lily with jet black hair, black eyes, sweet expression. She cast radiance. Her figure was beautiful and perfect. They had a sad love affair and narrated their love affair in the disuse of Lara's friend and Gonzalo's cousin, as they had become too old at that time and lost their charm. First I will explain these 5 sentences.
That's it.
I will explain these 5 sentences. What is the question? Love story. Fake or real? Real story. Not fake story. Real story. 4-mark question. Short answer. Lara told that very near to Valencia city, second largest city in Spain nation. Valencia, there was a villa on the shore of a sea which was called Maricela. In the city of Valencia, there was a bungalow house named is Maricela. That means now Don Gonzalo and Lara are talking in the park. After taking a pinch of snuff, they have become friends. They started to discuss about their identity, about their love story. But they are not saying their original name. They say that Lara's friend was lover of Gonzalo. Gonzalo's cousin was lover of Lara. Actually, these two old people were young lovers, but they are not saying the real story. Now, on the shore of the sea, there was a beautiful house, bungalow, villa. Its name is Marisela in the city of Valencia. He means who? Gonzalo said that there lived the most beautiful woman, Lara Llorente. L-L-O-R-E-N-D-E, Spanish name, Llorente, better. In that house, one beautiful young woman was living. Her name is Lara Llorente. Now, Donna Lara. Donna means madam. Dan means sir. Donna Lara, old age name. And Lara Llorente, young girl name. When she was young, Donna Lara was young, her name was Lara Llorente. She was famous. She was called as the Silver Maiden. Beautiful young girl. Silver Maiden means beautiful girl in that locality. Which locality? Valencia locality. So, she was called as the Silver Maiden in that locality. Both of them startled. When this Gonzalo says that Valencia is the famous city, there lived this Silver Maiden. Means Silver Maiden. Silver means beautiful young girl. This both of them are surprised. Why? They could know that it is their native city. It is why of them startled. Startled means surprised to recognize each other, but hid their identities. Both of them now in the park could know that they were once upon a time lovers. Now they are not ready to say that anybody, Lara or Gonzalo, one of these is not ready to say that once upon a time they were lovers. Why? They hid, but hid their localities. Hid means hiding their identity. They are not saying their original name and they were actual lovers when they were young. Why? I will say next two. Lara was ideal. When Lara was a young woman, girl, age 18 or 20, she was ideal, fair as lily. Lily means name of a flower. She was so beautiful, like a flower with jet black hair. Her hair was thick and in black color. Black hair, black eyes were black, thick black hair. She was so beautiful, like a flower, sweet expression. She looks very beautiful and sweet indeed. Red cast radiance. Cast radiance means wherever she goes, she will be famous. She will be attracted. People will be attracted towards her. She is so attractive. She cast radiance means she will be identified easily that she is the most beautiful girl. Her figure was beautiful. She was beautiful and perfect. God has created her with all kind of perfect structure. That's all. They had a sad love affair. Her love story had a failure taste. Her love had failed. Why? It will be narrated. And narrated their love affair in the dispute. Now they are saying their love story in the different form, in the different name. Actually, they have selected different name indeed. So, their love affair in the disuse of Lara's friend, not with the original name, another name. Lara has selected the name of her young name as her friend, and Gonzalo has taken his cousin role as to express his story. In that disease. So, Lara is saying that young girl was her friend. Gonzalo says that his best friend was her lover. You must understand this concept. Lara, her best friend, is the lover of Gonzalo's cousin. Role. Okay. Next 5 lines. When Lara and Gonzalo were young, they were in love with each other. They were loving each other and they were young, not now. Now means in the past. He has old people. Gonzalo was a gallant lover and a horseman. When Gonzalo was loving Lara, when both of them were young, he was riding a horse. He is called gallant lover. Gallant means brave, courageous lover and a horseman. He is very famous. He passed by on horseback every morning. Passed by, careful. Passed away means what? Passed away means died. Passed by means going by the side of. It is called English. If you write passed away, 1 mark goes. Passed away means died, reached heaven. It is called English. Be careful about using verbs and prepositions. It is why he passed by on horseback. He was sitting on a horseback and every morning down the road. In the morning he was going in front of the house of Lara. What is the path? Path means road, street called rose path. So many rose flowers are there, rose plants are there. On that street he is going in front of the house of Lara. Horseback every morning down the rose path under the window of Lara's villa. Lara was standing in the first floor or private room's window. So Lara was standing in her house, first floor near the window, private room window, and tossed up to her, path window, tossed up to her balcony, a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet, we must pronounce this one as bouquet. Bouquet. Bouquet means bunch of flowers. We are giving now when guests come, we are giving in the function, we are giving bunch of flowers one. That is called bouquet, not a bucket, bouquet. He was taking bunch of flowers and this bouquet, bunch of flowers, he would throw near Lara. She was standing near her window. She would catch that one and she would keep that one with her. When this fellow, in the afternoon, when he is going back to his house, she would throw the bouquet again back to Don Gonzalo. He was catching and he was going in this order. So, tossed up to her balcony a bouquet of flowers which she caught. He would throw the bouquet of flowers and he would catch that one. She would keep that flowers with her. Later, when he means Gonzalo, returns in the afternoon by the same path and catches the bouquet of flowers tossed by her. In the morning, he would throw the flowers to Lara. In the afternoon, while he is going back to his house, she would throw from her balcony to Don Gonzalo. In this order, their love affair was going on. These two lines are very, very important to say that how the love action takes place in this play. This number, these two sentences are very, very important. If you write these two sentences very carefully, you can score 2 marks. One sentence each helps you to score 1 mark each. Lara's parents wanted Lara to marry a rich and influential merchant. Here, romantic love story. Here, love affair, sad love affair story takes place now. Lara's parents wanted Lara to marry a rich and influential merchant.
Lara was loving Don Gonzalo, but both of them are loving each other. Okay, but what happened? Lara's parents wanted Lara to marry a rich and influential merchant. Means her parents wanted Lara to marry one strong and powerful merchant in the city. Which city? Valencia city. It is why Lara's parents wanted Lara to marry rich and influential merchant. One night what happened? One night when Gonzalo waited under her window to hear her sing, it was unexpectedly noticed by the merchant. One night what happened? Don Gonzalo was hiding under the window of this Lara. He was standing outside her house. She was singing by standing near her window, first of all. He was on the ground outside the house. Lara was inside the house. Gonzalo was outside the house. Outside of the house? No, outside the house. There is a big difference between outside of the house, outside the house. These prepositions are very horrible and terrible indeed. We cannot use preposition at the most correct way because we must be careful in using prepositions. So, Lara was singing one night when Gonzalo waited under her window to hear her sing. She was singing and Gonzalo was listening to her song. Then what happened? It was unexpectedly noticed by the merchant. See, merchant was to marry Lara. Then what happened? Don Gonzalo was hiding and listening to singing of Lara. Suddenly this merchant, next he is going to marry fiancé of Lara. This fellow saw Gonzalo was listening to the singing of Lara. He was very angry. Who? Merchant. Why? He was about to marry her. It is why he was very angry. The merchant insulted Gonzalo. He scolded him, shouting at him. Later, there was a quarrel, small fighting and duel. First hand, bishop. Later, duel means taking out a sword or gun and fighting each other. Duel means very hard or tough fighting. Indeed, duel between them on the beach. They were shouting. They were quarreling, shouting, fighting. Later, 1-to-1 fighting with the arms, weapon. It is why they started to fight on a beach of that Valencia city, in front of the Villa Maricela. The merchant was badly wounded by Gonzalo. The fighting continued till next morning. The fighting started in the night, that one night. It continued to next day morning. Suddenly, Gonzalo injured him severely. The merchant was badly wounded by Gonzalo. So, afraid of the consequences, Gonzalo had to conceal himself for a few days. He injured merchant very badly. And Gonzalo was not so powerful in that Valencia. But this next, the person who is going to marry Lara was very powerful indeed. It is why Gonzalo was afraid of this problem, because his supporters, assistants or servants of the merchant would kill Gonzalo. It is why, because of the fear of being killed by the assistants of this merchant, he ran away from Valencia and he started to hide. Conceal means hiding himself for a few days in another place. Where did he hide? What happened to their love story? What is a lie story? What is a real story? It will be explained in the next one. Until here, passed by her. From there to here, love story. That point to this point, 8 points come under love story. From here onwards, what happened? Why did Don Gonzalo flee Valencia? Why did Gonzalo leave Valencia city? It is called next 4-mark question. It is why from here, new question and new answer. Yeah, I will switch over to next board. I will continue with the other points. Now, how? Why did Don Gonzalo leave Valencia? Next stage. Next to death story. He took shelter in his cousin's house, then went to Seville, 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 and then came to Madrid. Who? Don Gonzalo. Don Gonzalo left Valencia. He was hiding in the house of Gonzalo for some time. That means what? Gonzalo's cousin, no? Gonzalo himself. He is telling his own love story in the name of other person. It is why Gonzalo took shelter, safety, and some rest or hiding place in his cousin's house, then went to Seville. From Madrid, from this Valencia, he stayed in his house, he was hiding in his house, and he went to Seville, another third largest city in Spain, Seville, and then came to Madrid. Madrid, number 1. Valencia, number 2 largest city, second largest. Seville, third largest city in Spain. He wrote many letters to Lara, even some letters were in verse, but they were intercepted by her parents. So she could not answer him. What is the meaning? Don Gonzalo wrote so many love letters to Lara. When Don Gonzalo was writing, some letters were in the form of verse. Verse means poems. But those letters were received by the Lara's parents. They were opening, they were reading, they were tearing, cutting. It is why Lara could not know that she had to receive the letters from Gonzalo. Gonzalo was writing letters, but Lara could not receive. Why means her parents were receiving. Intercepting means what? Before it could reach, it would be blocked by the parents itself. Later, Gonzalo believed that his love was lost to him forever. Then, in despair, he joined the army, went to Africa, and there he met a glorious death in a trench. So, Gonzalo realized that he could not see Lara again. He was so sad, upset, and his love was lost to him. And in despair, upset, sadness, dejected, he joined the army of Spain. Then he went to Africa. Why? It is a common thing. Soldier must go according to their placement or need. It is why he went to Africa. Then there was a fighting between terrorists or these enemies. Then one bomb exploded. He was in adventure. Big, deep, this hole, dig only. Yeah, dig only. In that one, what happened? Like a canal. Then one small bomb exploded in a trench. Then he died in it. Before he died, what he did? He grasped the flag of Spain and whispered his beloved Lara's name at the time of his death. Then before he died, he took the flag of Spain. Why? It is his motherland. He took the flag of Spain, and before he died, he said the word Lara, Lara, Lara. He died. It is called what? Death story. It is called real story or fake story? Fake. What is the other name for fake? It is called fictitious story. Lie story, fake story, fictitious story. For the sake of understanding this one, we must know 3 words. It is by spinning the story. 4th one, spin. It is by he grasped the flag of Spain and whispered his beloved Lara's name at the time of his death. It is by he took he realized that he was about to die. He took the flag and he died in the trench after saying the name of Lara, 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 his beloved. So he died. Actually, is it correct? Gonzalo is saying his own death story. But is it possible? It is called a fake story, lie story. Next, actually, it was an atrocious lie. Atrocious means what? Utterly, completely lie. But in reality, he ran off to Paris with a ballet dancer. It is called a real story. What happened? When he injured the merchant in Valencia, he went away from Valencia by eloping with ballet dancer. Actually, he married one dancer, beautiful ballet dancer means club dancer. Ballet means another type of dance. We have Kuchipudi Natya, Bharatanatyam. Similarly, ballet dancer in European countries, very famous. There was a famous ballet dancer. He married her. He was married to her. Both of them went to Paris. It is original. It is fake. This way. That story is a fake story. In reality, he was alive after 2 years. In reality, he ran off to Paris with a ballet dancer after 3 months. After 3 months, injuring the merchant, he left Valencia. Later, he went to Paris after marrying a famous ballet dancer. It is called what? Death story, actual story. It is nowhere concerned, but it must be added to this death story. How did Laura create her death story? It is explained here. Laura too narrated a fictitious story that the silver medal Laura awaited for the arrival of her lover Gonzalo for days, months and years. Laura is telling now. This old lady Laura is telling how her best friend died. This is called what? Fake story. So Laura says to narrate a fictitious story, lie story, fake story that the silver maiden who? Laura. Who is telling this story? Old lady Laura. In the other name of Laura's best friend. So silver maiden Laura awaited for the arrival of her lover. She was waiting for the arrival of Gonzalo in her house. She waited for the days, months, years. She waited for a year, but he did not return. Later, she did not receive any information about Gonzalo and no letters came. Actually, he wrote letters, but the letters were received, intercepted, blocked by her parents. She could not receive any letter. So, big letters came. So, one day, at the time of sunset, she left her house. When sun was setting in the not evening, afternoon. One afternoon, when the sun was setting, sun was disappearing, she left her house and went towards the beach where her lover had risked his life. So there was a fighting between the merchant and Gonzalo to the same spot on the sand on a beach. She reached that one and she wrote his name on the sand. She wrote Gonzalo, I love you, on the sand and then sat down upon a rock. After writing the name of Gonzalo, she sat down upon a rock. There was a big rock in that sea. She sat on that rock, recalling the sweet memories of Gonzalo. She was remembering her love story, her love with Gonzalo, and she was deeply in a sorrowful mind, and she was sitting on the rock and thinking about Gonzalo. It is called what? Death story. It is real or not? Not real. It is a fake story indeed. How she created death story, and from here to next some more sentences it will take place. Indeed, I will continue with the written sentences. Until here, please understand each and every word, sentence and the full answer. So, Donna Laura is explaining, spinning her death story. It is a fake, lie, fictitious story. Donna Laura, she waited for the letters of Don Gonzalo. She could not receive any letter. She felt very sad. One afternoon, when the sun was setting, she went into the sea. She wrote the name of Gonzalo on the sand of the beach where the fighting took place between the merchant and Don Gonzalo. She wrote the name of Gonzalo and she sat upon a big rock in the sea, near the sea. Next, the unseen waves. Unseen means not seen here, no. Unexpected waves. Unexpected waves came from where? From the sea. Where is this Lara sitting? On a rock, big rock. Washed away the name, rose to her height and swept her into the sea. So when a big wave came near Lara, it made a big sound, boom sound, and it took Lara deep into the water, deep into the sea, and she drowned and she died in this order. In this fake story, she died. But Donna Lara is present in the park in Spain. It is why the unseen waves came, washed away the name. Here, why we have underlined this one means, washed away the name is actually Gonzalo's name is not written. Washed away the name is given in the beginning. Later what happened? The fishermen of that shore often told that story, but in reality she married someone after 2 years. That name remained on the sand for a long time. Even the waves could not erase the name written by Lara. This one shows that how deeply their love story is. Actually, she did not write, she did not die, she was not upset at all. She was catching new butterflies. It is given in our text. So, the fishermen of that shore often told that story. Fishermen means, what are they catching? Pigs or donkeys? Fish only. The fishermen who are catching fish in sea, they were saying this story for a long time that even that name written by Lara on the sand did not disappear for a long time, even though the waves were touching and going away. It is the deep love story. But in reality, actually, what is the correct story? In reality, she married someone after 2 years. After 2 years, she married another person, but she says that she has died. She waited for at least 2 years, but Gonzalo, she waited for 3 months only, and he was married to a ballet dancer. Here she waited for 2 years. Naturally, Romeo and Juliet. Juliet was deeply loving Romeo. Romeo was loving her for the sake of her physical appearance. Here she waited for 2 years, that fellow waited for 3 months. We can judge so many things with the smallest story. Next, they told each other that they met as strangers by chance, discussed the romance of old friends as if they were good to old friends. Until here, romantic story, love story, death story, flashback is over. Now, the incident is taking place in the park live. Now, in the park present. It is past tense. Flashback is over. Now, the original, this current action, we can be seen. So, they told each other, who? Gonzalo and Lara, telling each other where? In the park. When? Now. After discussing this flash story, they have come back to present situation, condition. They met as strangers. In the beginning, they could not know each other. Who is who? They did not know. Now they could know each other. They could know that both of them were lying. Both of them were once upon a time lovers, but they were not ready to to reveal their identity, original name, by I will check. By chance discussed the romance of old friends. They discussed the love story, romantic story of their friends as if they were old friends. They feel that once upon a time they were good friends. Now too they are best friends. They are discussing about romantic story of their friends. In reality, they have discussed about their own love story, fake death story. Next. They had good conversation except the ill-natured prelude. See, there are thousands of unknown words like this one in our textbook. We must know each and everything. So, they had good conversation except the ill-natured prelude. That means, now they are cool, calm, happy, and both of them have affections towards each other. They are very friendly now. But in the beginning, what happened? She was scolding him heavily. She was insulting him very badly. She was teasing him provoking manner. It is why in the beginning, ill-natured prelude means bad beginning. Prelude means opening. This story opened with the accusement, annoyment, but ill-natured means bad-tempered attitudes or bad opening. They departed with the good hopes of meeting on the next day Sunday morning, confirming their past identities, concealing their past identities once again, concealing them. Okay. Now, last. This Lara called her maid, Petra. Gonzalo called his assistant, Jonito. Petra has brought flowers, violet flowers given by the guard, who is lover of Petra. While she was giving the flowers to Lara's palm, her hands, some flowers have fallen out. This Lara is asking Gonzalo whether he comes to the same park next day. He says that in case it is a sunny morning, hot morning, warm morning, he will come to this park next day. In case only it is a sunny morning, hot weather or warm weather, not cold or frozen condition. Now, they departed. They left the park with the good hopes of meeting on the next day. Both of them were eagerly waiting for their arrival. Now they have become good friends indeed. And this Gonzalo promised Lara that he would come the next day. He would bring bread crumbs for the birds, and he would sit beside Lara itself. It is promised by Gonzalo. Finally, they left the park without revealing their original name. He did not tell her his name. She did not tell his name. Both of them are hiding, covering their original name, identity. It is why they left the park by saying both of them could know each other. They were once upon a time lovers, young lovers indeed. This is the story. You must write 45 sentences which are in the book. In the notes given by us, you must write these things. Any tough word is there, underline that word. You read the sentence in a whole and cut the sentences into words order. Every action should be noticed by you, understood by you. Carefully learn this one. Now, one words, chapters are not so easy. I have to teach you 4 more chapters. Those are strong and difficult ones. It is by understanding the video, following the teaching, reading the textbook. All of you must have the notes. If you don't have notes, marks will not be with you. It is why if you want the notes means you must call me before 14th November. If the stock comes means I will give it to the students who come first to me. Those who have informed me in advance only. I can. If stock is over on 14th or 17th means again I will not print the books. Okay, take care, read this one very well understand the whole story, surely you can score 1 plus 4 or 6 plus 5 reported speech, 1 mark question plus 1 or 4 or 6 mark question will appear. You can score maximum 12, minimum 10. 10 marks or 12 marks are assured. Read the textbook, read the notes, and you can understand each and everything very well. Now, remaining chapters are not so easy indeed. It is why be careful, learn it very well, and take care. Okay, thank you so much. I am hopeful that you have understood this one. Okay, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.